So what were we talking about? Tangent of a circle. Okay. What is tangent? A line which touches the circle at one point only, and that point is called point of contact. What is point of contact? That's a question in exercise 10.1 in your textbook. The point where a circle and the line, that line tangent meets, is called point of contact. Okay. And another topic is secant. Topic number second in class 10. What is secant? A line which cuts the circle at 2 points is called secant of the circle. Okay, done. Now there is a theorem 10.1. The theorem is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius of the circle through the point of contact. This theorem says that let we have a circle, let a line, I am naming it AB. AB is tangent, O is the center. What we have to prove? We have to prove that radius and AB, these are perpendicular. Okay, it means we have to prove that this angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so there is a concept in geometry. Before proving this theorem, I want to teach a concept in geometry which is very important for proving this theorem. Let us consider a point in any plane and a line. Okay, so the basic question is, let the point P and the line NM Can you tell me the shortest distance from this point to the line? PC? Okay. So can we say that this shortest distance is the perpendicular distance? Are you agree? The shortest distance from a line, from a point to the line is the perpendicular distance. And the perpendicular distance from a point to the line is shortest distance. Okay. So now we will prove this theorem. Let a point M on AB and join OM. This point is, say, X. Can we say that OM is greater than OX by figure? Any doubt? OM is greater than OX, or I can write it like the things are same. Can I write OA in place of OX? Can I write OA is equal to OX? Okay, so I can say that OA is the smallest, shortest distance. You can use smallest as well as shortest. If I take M here, then also OA is smaller than OL. If I take M here, okay, then also we can say that OA is the shortest distance from point O to AB. So we can say that since OA is the shortest distance from point O to AB, therefore OA is the perpendicular distance. So OA is perpendicular to AB. Hence proved. Okay.